absorb all resources upon the earth to create refined, profound, and broad development space, inherit excellence to retain charming in the test of time. After 30 years of precipitations, FuJi Elevator creates supreme products with technology and cast dreams with quality. FuJi Elevator.
我们一定要把我们的电器产品的质量做好，把我们的服务做得更优，为我们的客户提供满意的产品跟优秀的服务。
We've stood together through storm and stress and hacked our way through difficulties. The technical drawing of the first elevator manufactured in Huzhou comes from CEO Cheng Jiangming. Since the first elevator product developed in 1987, FuJi Elevator thrives constantly, which has been a famous brand of the elevator machine and built up a bright and shining milestone. FuJi Elevator, based on the precipitation of history, drives industrial upgrading by intelligent innovation, greatly promotes the integration of industrialization and informatization, and comprehensively builds large-scale production base with 200 moves, passing Industrial 4.0 standard. The production base was completed in the second half of 2016, has a 150-meter high test tower, and has installed a super high-speed elevator with a speed of 10 meters per second, which has obtained the national manufacturing license. FuJi Elevator offers outdoors public large-span escalators with the lift height of nearly 21.6 meters to customers. Meanwhile, the largest fire elevator with a speed of 4 meters per second in China is installed in the test tower, and the protection level reaches the domestic leading level. The around 60,000 square meters manufacturing center will introduce 4 globally advanced automated production, achieving intelligent, efficient production. Depending on the excellent workmanship of manufacturer, FuJi Elevator has created serialized production with the most market competitiveness and opened a new era for prosperity of FuJi Elevator. In the field of technological innovation, FuJi Elevator gradually enhances investments on technological research and development and pursues innovation by creation. Up to now, it has obtained more than 180 inventions and utility model patents. FuJi Elevator developed the country's first solar photovoltaic system, which laid the company's leading position in the field of solar energy elevator. FuJi Elevator developed the country's first solar photovoltaic system, which laid the company's leading position in the field of solar energy elevator. In order to improve its product inspection quality and product test level, the Inspection and Test Center of FuJi Elevator, certified by CNAS, has been put into use to conduct the tests of the system and part functions of elevators and escalators, the tests of part and component reliability, the environmental tests, the tests of electromagnetic compatibility, and the failure analysis. The perfect technical support guarantees elevator safety. The testability is recognized in the world and is geared to the international level. In the field of customer service, adhering to nanny service, FuJi Elevator creates all-dimensional, seamless intelligent service system and provides quality and professional service for the global customers. As the first local elevator enterprise, signing with Elevator Security Liability Insurance, co-insurance body, each elevator manufactured by FuJi Elevator has escort and guarantee of PICC. In the field of marketing layout, FuJi Elevator develops a globalization strategy and builds complete sales networks both at home and abroad. It actively takes part in various international elevator exhibitions and continuously expands its market share. With 30 years market accumulation, FuJi Elevator has already grown into the outstanding, all-dimensional construction traffic service supplier. Up to now, around 200,000 elevators manufactured by FuJi Elevator have been operated in various kinds of constructions in different fields nationwide, consistently providing safe, reliable, and convenient construction traffic service for users. In addition, FuJi Elevator also successfully provides complete solution for several large projects around the globe and endeavors to the improvement of global vertical transportation civilization and advancement of horizontal traffic construction. Every journey is a heavy responsibility. Each harvest is a new starting point of famous brand. By dint of its advantages of scientific and technological growth and patent invention, FuJi Elevator wins social affirmation and support. In 2016, FuJi Elevator was officially promoted into China Elevator Association Council Unit and squeezed into one of 32 leading companies of domestic elevator top brands. Adhering to the development philosophy of achieving a win-win situation with staff and promoting the world's progress, FuJi Elevator has held an annual national dealer meeting for consecutive years, repaid partners with sincerity, and encouraged new members of FuJi Elevator with faith. FuJi Elevator has adhered to the practical, innovative, and pioneering development concept, actively carried out various social and cultural activities, helped employees have a stronger sense of belonging, improved the cohesion of the enterprise, and strove to build a good cultural ecosystem of employees, the enterprise, and society. As an outstanding enterprise, shouldering social responsibilities, FuJi Elevator pays attention to charity, active in various kinds of social public service activities, which also fully carries forward the social value of enterprise. FuJi Elevator has been constantly taking responsibility, task, obligation as a whole, and improves itself and forges ahead gradually in process of its flourish. It also witnesses this time's vicissitudes of great change and service transformation, which belongs to the greater area. As glorious time goes on, its magnificence comes as expected. 30 years of fruitful seasons, recording the great exploits of FuJi Elevator, 30 years of storm and stress, carving the excellent quality of FuJi Elevator, 30 years of extraordinary achievements, stimulating FuJi Elevator people to forge ahead and go towards a century. It is steadfast at the age of 30 and casts a development road today. FuJi Elevator.